Well, I've been dreading it, but I knew it'd eventually come the day when I'd have to do it. I have to put on the mask. Oh boy, right in the middle of the old sanding step of this drywall, and it's not any better than I remember it, but part of the process. If I were a good drywaller, I'd have to do less sanding, but I only do it about once every 10 years, so I'm not good at it. So one thing I'm happy about is I don't have any overhead sanding to do, so that's huge. That's the worst part. But I think if you just put your mud on right to begin with, you don't have to do a whole lot of sanding. But I'm not good at this. There's no reason to have any mistakes when you're doing your own drywall, because you got plenty of time, and you can always either add a little bit more mud or sand it. So it ought to be perfect. I'm at the point now in this room, at least, that I just need to come back and do a little bit of just fill in some undercut stuff, and then I'll come out here when it's dark and shine a light on everything so I don't miss anything. That's the thing that a lot of people don't see their mistakes until it's nighttime, and then got a lamp or something on you, see a spot you missed because of the light. And I busted this fitting trying to cut in for a clean out, because this goes, it's the best place. This is the main vent stack. Anyway, that saw's all caught and busted that joint, so I think I'm gonna have to see if I can find a street fitting and go down inside of that. I hope. It's the only thing I can think of right now. Alright, I was wrong about what I said. This isn't this is not a street fitting. This is an inside fitting, so it fits inside of this 2-inch pipe that's broken off. I've never seen these at any box store. I got this from supplyhouse.com. Love that site. That should do it. Time for drywall. I found out that the levels of drywall are 1 through 5, and on this wall I'm just going to leave it at a level, I think 3, which is taped and the holes filled, so I won't go any further there. It's either 2 or 3. And over here in the kitchen, I'm leaving it at level 2 or 3, whichever it is. I think it's 3. So just, it's taped and the holes are filled. Don't need the Don't need to go beyond that. There's going to be cabinets against those walls, and there'll be a backsplash. So I don't no point in going any further with that. So that's finished as far as it's going. All right, so there's the update from out here on the shop house build. Thanks for watching. Appreciate the comments.